Good morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is November 6th, 9:53 a.m. Central Standard Time. Right here where I'm at, United States of America. So, this right here is our velocity. We're at the Geospace Magnetic Sphere movies. It kind of gives us a nice little perspective. For some things, this right here is our velocity. So, and of course you can see the color chart up here. Blue, dark blue is very fast. Red is negative, which I don't understand how we can go negative, but whatever. We'll just let them roll with it, right? And as you can see, velocity, we don't look very like we're going very fast, right? Looks pretty decent, about normal. And then you'll start seeing wave, boom. What was that? What did we get hit by? Boom, there's another one. What are we getting hit by? Boom, there's another one. Boom, there's another one. What in the world is that? I don't even know if that makes sense. But let's go down here somewhere and find out, shall we? It's oh my goodness gracious. There we go. This right here is our density. Okay, so dark blue is the most amount. The white being the least. There we go. This is from the University of Michigan, Geospace model. Go Michigan, Wolverines! Sorry, I'm a Wolverines fan. Yeah, looks like not too much. I mean, you can see the waves come in, whoosh, when it comes in. This one, it may not show the actual wave coming like the other one was, but the one that's really more concerning to me personally, in my opinion, isn't so much of this one, but it's actually this one, our pressure. Look at the pressure here. Obviously red is being bad. The most. Let's get this one rolling. Look at all of this pressure. If we have not a lot of velocity, not a lot of density, where's all this pressure coming from? I mean, we're getting one heck of a bow shock. You know, it's almost like a double layer. I mean, you can see the Earth's magnetic field here working, and it's working here, but we have pressure on the back side, pressure on the front side, and somewhere, I mean, it almost looks like the Earth takes a crap and it chops one out. Sorry folks, I'm kind of a weirdo that way, but whatever. But yeah, see, just dropped a load. But where are we getting all this pressure from? On both sides, and it's like a double whammy of pressure. Okay, this right here, this is the north. This right here is the North Pole coming this way. This is the South Pole coming up this way. Day side, night side. This is looking up from the south. Okay, from the South Pole looking up. This right here, all this pressure all around the planet. Well, what's that gonna do? Well, I will show you what I would not be surprised to see, folks, with all that pressure on both sides, is volcano uptick. Earthquake uptick. I mean, look right here. 14:37 UTC time. That's 5 hours on to where I'm at right now. Which is, so 9:57. Add 5. That would be what? Yeah, it'd be. Yeah, that wasn't very long ago. But yeah, let's take a look at all this. All the earthquakes. We're getting a bunch of them. 6.0 in Indonesia. Woof. Should I feel it? Should I have felt it? I don't know. Maybe. 5.3. South Pacific Ocean, Tonga Tapu. Hope I didn't butcher that. Sorry if you're from there. But look at all these earthquakes. This is just in the past 24 hours, by the way. And this is M4 or greater. I do not have it set for M3. This is M4 or greater. 5.2 in Indonesia. South Pacific Ocean, Peru. 5.2. Look at those. I mean, you want to see something really fun? Watch this. We'll go to a magnitude 3 or higher. Boom! What in the fragnog just happened here? Now, something I want everybody to pay attention to, though, is look where they're all at. All along volcanoes. All along our tectonic plates. Volcano ridges. I mean, everybody knows that there's a crap ton of them in Alaska. Look at all these over here. Look at it. Right here around Indonesia. There. All of this. Look at all this. Look right here. China. Look at all these earthquakes going on in China. Holy cow. 10 kilometers. 4.0. 4.0. 4.8. What's going on over here? Why is there so many earthquakes over there? Huh. Kind of interesting, don't you think? I mean, right here is a volcano. That's the top of a volcano right there. I mean, all this here is all burnt up. It's all sand. There's nothing grows there. And actually, I noticed this and pointed this out to a friend of mine. If you actually look at this, it almost looks like it's almost three-dimensional. Like this is much higher than it is down here, and it looks like it actually pours from here down. Doesn't it? Doesn't that look weird? Like it's like pouring down. That's really odd. But it is what it is. I don't know if this is that. I don't know if this is higher or not. To be honest with you, elevation-wise, I have no idea. But it just looking at it from that angle, it looks like it's pouring down, almost like a waterfall. I just find that interesting. But back to what we're looking at, we're going to see an uptick in these earthquakes and volcanoes today. With all that pressure, that would not surprise me. I mean, that would be very indicative from all the pressure that we're getting. And let's not forget, we have a volcano in full eruption down here. Okay, and that's a thing. Please look up here. You can see the different colors. The color charts up here. Red is eruption. Orange is warning or minor activity, which means it's kind of, spewing off, steaming off. Yellow, it's unrest, which means there might be a few quakes. And green is all. I haven't tapped on that yet. No real reason to tap on that because we don't have any need to at the moment. But if we want to just do the eruption ones, these are all the eruptions. Who's reporting on all these? I mean, where are the reports coming from? Why aren't people talking about this? All these eruptions. Oh, looks like we just had a fresh one. Right here, 8 hours ago, 4.3, Gulf of California, Mexico. Boom. There it is. Nice. But nobody's reporting on all these volcanoes. The only thing that's in the news is La Palma, Etna. I don't know if it's going to let me get the other one. Maybe not. I might have to zoom in on it. But two of them are going off in Italy. There we go. Etna and Stromboli. I love me a good Stromboli. That's not even right. Why would they name it Stromboli? That's just rude. Sorry about that, folks. I had a call coming in. So let's go ahead and take a zoom in on La Palma, because everybody's got a bunch of concerns on La Palma, and rightfully so. You can see where it drops off quite quickly. But let's take a zoom in here, shall we? Put this bugger back in the middle of the screen. Look at all these earthquakes right around here. Of course, we should be having earthquakes with as much as it's erupting. Look at all that fun stuff, huh? Whoa. Look at that. 3 circles. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3 points and dead in the center. Look at that. That's pretty crazy looking when it overlaps like that. Symbolism. Very interesting. But yeah, there's actually 3 eruptions right now going on. At La Palma, there's 3 different cones. There's a Cumbre Vieja. There's another one down here, and I guess there's supposed to be another one down here. There's 3 different cones that are actually erupting. So try to stay focused on it. Just kind of look at it here and there and pay attention, because here in the United States, it's supposed to take about 7 hours before it gets to the East Coast. Which means if it goes the way that they're thinking it's going to go, when you're in Europe, yeah, it's going to get to you in no time. It'll be to you in like an hour or 2. All the way up there. Yeah, you're looking at a few hours. I mean, if it's going to take 7 hours to get over there, you're looking at about 3 to 4 hours to get up there to the United Kingdom, Ireland, Portugal, Spain. Yeah, that's going to be a whoosh. Just depends on which way it goes. I mean, if it whooshes off the downside like this, it's definitely coming over. It's going to hit all of this over here. But if it goes up this way or even straight across, it's coming way over here. There's all kinds of different predictions on it and models. Some are saying it'll be 30 feet high. Some are saying it'll be 300. I even saw one that said 3,000. I'm like, okay, I don't think the 3,000 is accurate, but I definitely wouldn't rule out a 30 to 100 foot by any means. I mean, I don't see how it could be that big, but who knows? It very well could be. But it's something to take note. Stay safe, folks. Love y'all.